Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you people this amazing recipe of Pindi Chole. It is not the exact recipe, it has different touches of mine and it turned out really very awesome and we are going to start right now. Start the night before by soaking the chole. The next morning, I am going to boil the chole with this masala. I have used kali mirch, badi ilaichi, choti ilaichi, tez patta, long, dal chini, and chai ki patti, along with one big red chili in a hanky. And I'm gonna tie a knot and I'm gonna boil this masala along with the chole. So here I'm gonna show you the potli, and now here the chole, they are actually double in size. I'm gonna wash them and I'm gonna add them into a pressure cooker along with the masala and some water. Water is not supposed to be discarded, so use a little quantity. And then I've added some soda and some salt to it. And here the boiled chole, we are going to discard the masala out of it and we are going to strain the chole to check how perfectly boiled they are. They are perfect to the level of consistency. Now we are going to prepare a masala. For that I am adding Kashmiri lal mirch, dhania powder, kali mirch, jeera powder, badi ilaichi, choti ilaichi, long, dal chini, and tez patta. I'm sorry, and tez patta. And we are going to roast this masala very well, but on a very you know low flame. We are going to roast this masala, and then we are going to create a fine powder out of this masala. And the next step is to mix chole with the masala. It's kind of marination. So here I am adding some ginger and some green chilies to the chole, and then I'm adding the masala that I had prepared, and then I have added ghee to it. Now this is the secret, and from here onwards you will see that the Pindi Chole will actually start my derivative. Till now it was a recipe that was the actual recipe. Now I'm going to show you people from here it is going to be starting to get a little bit different. So here I have created that marination. Now I'll add some salt, some hing, some black salt, some amchur powder, haldi powder. Then I'm going to add some dhania powder to it and I'm going to mix all of this together. Now the recipe of Pindi Chole requires anardana powder. I didn't had anardana powder, so I added chaat masala to it because chaat masala already has anardana to it. Now the chole are being marinated since past 1 hour. Now we are going to fry the onions. I have used pel kolhu wala sarson ka tel. You have to use mustard oil of some sort in this recipe. It tastes really amazing. So just use mustard oil. And then I have added some garlic to it as well, some crushed garlic to it and some crushed ginger to it as well. And here I have transformed it to a golden brown consistency, after which I have added 4 finely chopped tomatoes to it. And now we are going to make sure that the tomatoes are mushy as well. And the onions were golden brown. I used 2 onions to make sure that the recipe turns out really awesome. This is something that is not done in Pindi Chole. They are directly boiled with water later as well, and this is my abbreviation to it. They just turned out really very amazing. The taste was mighty fine, so just try it once. It's gonna be mouth watering for you people. Everyone is going to appreciate you for the effort that you did. So I have added the marinated chole to the masala that we prepared. Now at this point you can go ahead and check the seasoning if you feel like. Adding water is at a later stage. We are going to add water. This is the boiling water. You need to make sure that the water is boiling so that the color of Pindi Chole comes out to be really very beautiful. Now we are going to boil them. For boiling them, you need to make sure that the gas is on sim and you give them at least 15 to 20 minutes to just go ahead and simply boil. Keep on stirring in between to make sure that the chole are not sticking to your pan, because chole can very easily stick to the pan. And after 15 to 20 minutes you can start mashing them a little bit. the like mashing process is really very important. So don't skip that. Just try to mash them a little bit with the help of whatever tong or kachul, whatever you are using. Mash them a bit, and they're not going to completely get destroyed by mashing, but yes, you have to make sure that they are a little bit thicker than what they were looking earlier. So here you can see our pindi chole are finished. We are going to add some coriander to it to make sure that they are smelling amazing. You can add some kasuri methi to it as well if you want to, but I didn't use kasuri methi. The dhania, the smell of dhania, or what you call it, coriander, turned it out to be really very amazing. So this was my take on Pindi Chole, the abbreviated version of Pindi Chole. Hopefully you people might have enjoyed today's recipe. If you people did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And I hope you people are having an amazing festive season. And if you people are liking my videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I'll take your all's leave and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed. Bye bye.